Yellow Sun. And keep in mind when you do marbling, you want to keep it a little bit like the ratios a little bit wet. And then add it on mangoes. And pick up yours is a neon orange. And really simply wipe up your brush first. Okay. And work on around with the cuticles first. And give it a good swirl. And you can continue doing the same thing. Pick up the Yellow Sun. And then go back in the mango. So every time I pick a new powders, I clean my brush first before I submerging into the monomer. And using the tips of your bristle and swirl it. Just really feather touch. You do not need to do is you don't want to brush it heavy-handed, is going to wipe off everything. So just keep in mind, just doing really gentle, and then you can using a smaller amount because you are going to cap it as well. So with this tips you are doing is like a little bit the ratio is a little bit wet, so then that way you can able to swirl it easy. So I'm gonna using a chrome flick just a little bit. You don't have to add it on if you want to, definitely, or if you have some a little like dramatic glitter, definitely you can put it on as well. I just want to add just a couple of them on, a little bit.
So now, Sasha, can you do this with gel polish?
You definitely can. If you are doing with the gel polish, I has the videos with the gel polish that I using with Blossom Gel, and you are definitely more than welcome to check them out because I have it and it's saved on the IGTV. So yes, definitely you can do that. So I'll put some fruit in here. Some watermelon. And then maybe some bananas right there. And you can put pretty much everything you want. Look like this one is a grapefruit. All right. A piece of lime. You can cut it, and then some of them are already pre-cut. Like this one is already pre-cut. So you can take half of it off right there. So you can make it in halves slice of your watermelon. And then I'm going to using my super cute is Metal Charms from Glow in the Dark Crystal Kits. And then you can pick anything. So the best way to place some beads and frame on is when it's still setting, is mean when it's still wet. So you can definitely place them. And then if you're happy with this, we are going to cap it with crystal clear. All right. We'll move this on the side because we want to use it more. And now here's the crystal clears. Yesterday I was showing you that how crispy and how it's really clear our crystal clear is. So it's perfect for encapsulate. Submerging my brush into the crystal clears, and important here is where you want to cap. However, you can definitely cap it closer to the cuticles, so then it's going to blend and it's protect your marbles designs.
Clean. So yes, all products are available on our website at Glitz Subscription Box. Come check it out.
Yes, and special is pre-summer sales going on right now. It's making me so excited. All right, so I am going to tapers like the beads and guide it toward to the middle of the nails, because you want to do that to keep a really nice shape. So then sometimes if you are finishing the nails and you feel like the nail is so bulky, so this will definitely help to reduce that troubleshooting. And just placement and till the nails out, because of gravities will does all that work for you, and you just need to till it down and taper in the size. All right, so now let it set for a few minutes.